Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best It's a Wonderful Life Blu-ray is probably one of the most iconic and heartwarming films ever made, a timeless classic that continues to captivate audiences with its powerful message of hope, community, and the profound impact one life can have on the world, making this Blu-ray edition a must-have for any cinephile looking to experience this cinematic masterpiece in stunning high definition. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Inside, you'll find the buildable Central Perk studio set. It comes complete with Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, along with cool accessories for recreating memorable scenes. This collectible 1,070-piece toy offers a rewarding building experience for adults aged 16 and up. It's perfect for those who enjoy building solo or sharing the fun with loved ones. This set is compatible with your existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. You can create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories. Measuring over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. Looking for the perfect Friends memorabilia gift? This 1,070-piece set is a fantastic choice for any fan, offering hours of building enjoyment. What we like? This set recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe with beloved characters. If you're a die-hard fan of the show and love to display your fandom, this is for you. It offers a rewarding building experience and a great conversation starter. What people say. The picture quality on this Blu-ray is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details that bring the classic film to life. The sound is also excellent, clear and immersive, making the iconic score and dialogue even more impactful. Includes a wealth of bonus features, such as behind-the-scenes documentaries, interviews with the cast and crew, and deleted scenes, offering a deep dive into the making of this beloved movie. Number 4. Home Invasion, in concert at the Royal Albert Hall. Get ready for an unforgettable musical journey. Witness the magic of a live performance like never before. Recorded at the iconic Royal Albert Hall, this concert brings you the grandeur of the venue. Immerse yourself in the powerful Home Invasion experience. Feel the energy and passion of the artists. This special edition includes both a high-definition Blu-ray and 2 CDs. Enjoy the performance in stunning quality and with bonus audio. Relive this incredible concert anytime you wish. It's a must-have for any music enthusiast. What we like? Experience a powerful live performance in stunning high definition. If you appreciate immersive concert recordings and want to relive a memorable show, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for music lovers who enjoy both visual and auditory excellence. What people say. The sound is astounding, as would be expected from such an audio fanatic as Mr. W. And the musicianship. Sir Nick Beggs on bass, the electrifying guitar of Alex Hutchings, the endlessly fascinating keyboards of Adam Halsman, Craig Blundell's super sharp percussion, Ninat Taib's magical voice and Stephen, himself, who provides all of the third critical element, the amazing, highly enjoyable and immortal songs that he somehow continues to produce from a seemingly endless muse. Simply put, Home Invasion is both visually and orally stunning. As noted above, this is the best visual presentation I've seen to date from Wilson with any of his incarnations. This is the first time in Wilson's career that the quality of the filming effects matches the quality of the musical output. Not only are there some novel ideas here, the transparent screen, in front, of the band not the least of these, and not only are the animations accompanying each song equally insightful and entertaining, but the filming and editing is nearly perfect. The audiovisual production is excellent, high-quality sound, sharp picture, and captivating performances. Number 3. Wonderful Life-inspired Christmas Angel Bell Ornament. Introducing a beautiful Christmas ornament inspired by a beloved holiday classic. It's now available in a larger size and comes with 2 interchangeable ribbons for versatile decorating. Meticulously crafted from durable, high-quality stainless steel, this piece boasts a polished finish that resists rust and maintains its shine. It's designed to be a cherished part of your holiday decor for years to come. Embrace the charm of a bygone era with its antique design. This ornament adds a touch of vintage elegance and sentimentality to your Christmas tree, capturing a classic aesthetic. Elevate your holiday atmosphere with a delightful, captivating jingle. The subtle yet distinctive sound adds a touch of festive magic to any setting. Featuring a shiny silver tag with a special message and a hand-etched angel wing, it symbolizes peace, love, and protection. This meaningful piece infuses your festivities with grace and serenity. This ornament is a truly amazing gift, perfect for exchanges or as a special present. It's designed to spread joy and can be passed down through generations. What we like. This ornament captures the heartwarming spirit of a beloved holiday classic. If you're looking for a meaningful and elegant addition to your Christmas tree or a thoughtful gift, this is ideal. Its quality craftsmanship and symbolic design make it a cherished keepsake. What people say. The bell has a lovely sound and the stainless steel angel wing charm is elegant and well made. It comes with 2 interchangeable ribbons, which is a nice touch. It seems durable enough. You can hear a jingle, but it's not tinny. Number 2. Star Wars: Secrets of the Galaxy Deluxe Box Set. Prepare to explore the vastness of the Star Wars universe like never before. This deluxe box set is your gateway to adventure. Dive deep into the lore and uncover secrets long hidden within the galaxy. Discover artifacts and stories that shaped the saga. Relive iconic moments and explore new perspectives on your favorite characters and events. It's a fresh look at a timeless story. This collection is meticulously crafted for the most dedicated fans. Immerse yourself in the details and expand your collection. Own a piece of cinematic history with this exclusive deluxe edition. It's the ultimate way to celebrate the magic of Star Wars. What we like. Dive deep into the rich universe with this deluxe collection. If you are a dedicated fan seeking an in-depth exploration of the lore and a premium collectible, this box set is a must-have. It's designed for enthusiasts who want the ultimate fan experience. What people say. Have you ever wondered what was in the Stormtroopers Employee Handbook? What about the origins of the Sith, or the Jedi Path? Or the Bounty Hunter's Code? Beyond the Mandalorian, this is the way credo. These tomes offer an in-depth behind-the-scenes look into the history of these 4 critical Star Wars character arcs that are a must-have in any Star Wars fan's collection. Even includes margin notes from some of your favorite characters, as if you were reading through their own textbooks. This is a set of essentially 4 handbooks, one given to Jedi Padawans, one for the Imperial Academy troops, one for members of the Bounty Hunters Guild, and one that is really a written Sith history. They do not read like novels, more like instruction manuals, codes for the members of the intended audience to live by, etc. In the margins, there are notes by different characters making comments on the text, that range from Luke, Han, Boba Fett, Palpatine, Anakin, and later as Vader, Ashoka, etc. Visually grouse, illustrations for days, excellent text design, page layout, textured covers and unique page trims. Number 1. Xbox 360 4GB Slim Console, renewed. Experience the iconic Xbox 360, now in a sleek, slim design. This 4GB model offers plenty of space for your games and downloads. This console has been carefully renewed, ensuring it's in excellent working condition. Enjoy a great gaming experience with peace of mind. Its compact and stylish form factor fits perfectly into any entertainment setup. It's designed to impress both visually and functionally. With 4 GB of internal storage, you can save your game progress and download a variety of content. Never worry about running out of space for your favorite titles. More than just a gaming machine, it's your all-in-one entertainment hub. Stream movies, music, and more with this versatile console. Get incredible value with this renewed Xbox 360. It's a fantastic way to dive into a vast library of games without breaking the bank. What we like. Get a reliable gaming experience at a great value. If you're looking for an entry-level console or a budget-friendly option to enjoy a wide range of games, this renewed Xbox 360 is a solid pick. It's perfect for casual gamers or those new to the platform. What people say. We were amazed at the condition when it arrived, since it looked like it was brand new out of the box. It also arrived with 2 wireless controllers, and a bunch of games that were some of my son's absolute favorites in completely like new condition. It's still operating like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.